The passengers traveled by plane to their destination. The backpackers traveled by train to their destination. The family went on holiday in a caravan. They traveled all around the country. The people traveled around the world by plane. The tourists traveled by train. They wanted to see the north of Scotland. The woman with a beautiful smile traveled to Germany by plane. The tourists traveled by boat to the nearby island. The people in the car traveled on the ferry. The woman traveled by bus to get to the office. The bride and groom traveled by boat to get to their honeymoon destination. The woman traveled by train to get to work. The men traveled by tram to get to where they were going. The men traveled around the countryside on their bikes. The family traveled by bus to the fairground. The woman traveled to Greece alone. The man traveled a lot when he was younger.